Let's fill out the Alaska General Power of Attorney together, the document that lets someone you trust handle your money and property. Start with you, the principal. Type your full legal name and where you live. Use your full legal name exactly as it appears on your ID, so there's no doubt who signed. Now name your agent, the person you're giving authority to. Here, Ben Carter, with their address. And name an alternate. Here, Carlos Diaz, in case your first choice can't serve, so your document doesn't stall if something happens. Now the powers. The form lists subjects, A through N. To give your agent authority over everything, initial the line in front of N. To grant only some, initial just those specific lines instead. Then choose when it takes effect. Here, effective immediately. One important thing. Depending on your state, a general power of attorney may stop working if you become incapacitated. If you want it to keep working no matter what, ask about a durable power of attorney instead. Finally, print your name and date it. Sign it the way your state requires. We'll cover those exact rules in the recap. Then give a copy to your agent and to anyone they'll deal with, like your bank. First, the principal must sign the power of attorney. Now, if the principal is physically unable to sign, they can direct another individual to sign the principal's name on the power of attorney. But that must happen in the principal's conscious presence. Second, the signature needs to be acknowledged before a notary public or another individual authorized by law to take acknowledgments. That's it, just those two steps. A proper signature and an acknowledgement before the right person. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.